what is these double tops? What does price have to do when we see double tops? Price has to break because these double tops are worth nothing unless the market breaks through the confirmation point. And so what is the confirmation point? It is this low right here, the lowest point between the two peaks. All right, so this is the lowest point right here. Now if we go ahead and put in a line across that lower point right there, then that is going to be our support level. But this is also referred to as our confirmation point. Okay, so we got our, and let me just change this to red. So we've got the two peaks, we've got a support level right here, which is our confirmation point, and now we have price actually bouncing off that, which means, traders, that if we do not trade below this, then these double tops are just double tops, and these are double bottoms, which are just double bottoms. And that means that if we have double bottoms and double tops, we're just really range bound, and we're not really going to see a market break out of this confirmation point. And so not one of these tops will act, or tops and bottoms will actually confirm that we're going in a certain direction. And so it means that we're just range bound. So, and why is this important? Well, because if the markets create double tops and price breaks out of the confirmation point, the distance from the double tops to the valley here is going to be the distance of the breakout. So that's why it's important. So if the market does break out to the downside right here, we can identify where price is going to move to based on this distance right here. And we'll also use swing analysis in order to be able to identify and confirm that too. And so as I look at the setup right here, I look at this and I go, okay, well, let's take a look and see what can the market do, all right, that could bring us back to a level of resistance without getting to the top and actually start fulfilling this downward move. Well, I'm going to do this. Because we have the double tops right here, I'm going to suspect that price is going to start working its way back up, but I am going to go ahead and start anticipating that this is a large swing right here. Now, what I probably need to do here to be absolutely, I won't say real, but I want to be as clear, but also I want to be as true to my trading rules as I possibly can. So what I want to do here is, before I go ahead and start looking at this as a large swing, I do know that the market moves in waves. And if I look over here, I do notice that we had an inside wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this means that this must be a wave from here. I'm going to just call it an A, B right here. And that means the price did pull back up, and now this is another swing down here. So let's go ahead and do this. Instead of creating this large swing, let's now go ahead and take a look at this swing right here. And now we'll notice here, as we look at this swing, that price comes back here, not to the pip, but comes to the 1.618 right here. So what does that mean? That means there's a good possibility that price is just in a short-term correction and will then go ahead and work its way back down towards the bottom here and possibly even break out.